So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to rank up dragons fast in Dragon City. So you want to get your dragons to a certain level so you can get them to be stronger or something like that. Now in order to rank up dragons, I'm just going to show you on this dragon right here. So you can see here some of the names of the dragons. So you can click on the dragon's name. So if you click on this, you can see the option to feed a dragon. So on the left, you will see the level that the dragon is at. If you click the feed button, it'll get one step closer to being a higher level. So just make sure that you have food by your side, and you will get that by producing food. So you can see here I even fulfilled a gold, or rather a goal, which will give me food and gold. So from there, if you click on claim, you'll receive even more food, and you can use that to get dragons to a higher level. So it really does depend on here if you feed them regularly, and if you want to do that, you will need to also get them to a training center so you can get even stronger dragons. So it's a ratio of feeding them regularly and often, so you can just increase their stats overall, and getting them to a training center so they can get these badges. So on here you can see I don't have any badge, but I can then get it to rank up or empower it through here. And you can see here there are these rank up points. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Dragon City or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.